What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Taye Lotto back here with another video. And I just wanted to jump on here to say, struggle will build you more than it will break you. Now, let me tell you a little story about me. So, when I was growing up, I stayed, I had a fairly good life until one point in time where me, my mom, and my sister actually had to stay in a shelter. And we didn't, we got kicked out, we got evicted, and we didn't have anywhere to go. So me seeing that struggle and going through that, we had to, be optimistic. So what I did at a young age in high school, because I moved to the shelter in high school. So it was my freshman year of high school, and I got into e-commerce that year. That's when I hopped on eBay, generated over $1,300 profit in one day. Wasn't even 24 hours, it was 17 hours. Took $160. Wasn't my money. I actually stole it from my mom. $160, stole it, boom, gone. I know this is gonna better us. I got us. Put it on my bag, then took it, bought the products on eBay, resold them on eBay, and made $1,300 profit in 17 hours, all off of struggle. I've been through something, chip on my shoulder. So please think about your struggles. Think about the hard times you've been through in life. Think about all the negative people that put you down, the people that you want to shit on in 2021. Think about those people. Think about all the bad times and use that as your motivation. Let's kill it in 2021, guys. Remember, enter the $10,000 giveaway, YouTube. Please enter the $10,000 giveaway that I'm doing in March. Looking to give away more after that giveaway. All you have to do is like, drop a comment on this video letting me know exactly what you want to see in the next video and exactly what you think about this video. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.